Have you ever wondered how many planets are in our solar system and what makes each one unique? Well, we're about to take a cosmic stroll through our very own galactic neighborhood. This is where we call home the solar system, a bustling community of 8 distinct planets, each with their own story to tell, all revolving around our life-giving sun. From the scorching Mercury to the icy Neptune, each planet is a world unto itself. Join us as we embark on a journey through our solar system, planet by planet. Our journey begins with Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. This tiny world, barely larger than our moon, is a place of stark contrasts. It zips around the Sun at breakneck speed, completing a full orbit in just 88 Earth days. This swiftness earns it the title of the swift planet of our solar system. Mercury is a world without an atmosphere, a barren place exposed to the harsh reality of space. Because of this, it experiences the most extreme temperatures in the solar system, ranging from scorching hot during the day to freezing cold at night. And yet, despite its harsh conditions and small size, Mercury holds a certain allure. Its proximity to the Sun, its rapid orbit, and its extremes of temperature make it a fascinating object of study. It's a reminder of the diversity and extremes that exist within our own cosmic neighborhood. Mercury, while small, is a world of extremes and the swift messenger of our solar system. Next, we venture to Venus, often considered Earth's twin. This is due to their similar sizes, with Venus being only slightly smaller than our home planet. The composition of Venus is also akin to Earth's, with a rocky surface and metal core. But don't be deceived by these similarities. Venus is no tropical paradise. The atmosphere on Venus is dense and toxic, comprised mainly of carbon dioxide with clouds of sulfuric acid. This lethal combination creates a greenhouse effect, causing Venus to be the hottest planet in our solar system, with surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. Interestingly, Venus spins in the opposite direction to most other planets, a phenomenon known as retrograde rotation. This means that on Venus the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east, contrary to what we're familiar with here on Earth. Venus, a world of mystery and beauty, is a testament to the power of planetary atmospheres. We now come to Earth, our own blue planet, a mesmerizing sphere swirling with white clouds, painted in hues of blue with patches of brown and green. Earth is unique in the solar system for its abundance of liquid water, a vital ingredient for life as we know it. And life, oh, it flourishes here. From the deepest trenches of the ocean to the highest peaks, life has marked its presence in the most resilient ways. Our atmosphere is another winning lottery ticket for Earth. It offers us a breathable mix of gases and shields us from harmful solar radiation. Let's not forget our faithful companion, the Moon. Its gravitational pull creates the tides, stabilizes our planet's tilt, and adds rhythm to life on Earth with its phases. Earth, our home, is a beacon of life in the vast cosmic ocean. Nestled in the Goldilocks zone, it's not too hot, not too cold, but just right for life to thrive. Our next stop is Mars, the red planet. Named for the Roman god of war, Mars is aptly known for its reddish hue, a result of iron oxide or rust on its surface. But don't let its foreboding color fool you. This planet is far from lifeless. At the poles, we find ice caps made of water and carbon dioxide, a chilling mirror of our own polar regions. This similarity, along with evidence of ancient riverbeds and minerals that only form in the presence of water, has led many to speculate about the possibility of past life on Mars. Today, Mars is a hub of activity with rovers like Perseverance and Curiosity, exploring its rugged terrain, analyzing soil samples, and sending back valuable data. These robotic explorers are the eyes and ears of humanity on this distant world. Mars, with its red iron dust and towering volcanoes, is a world that continues to captivate our curiosity. We now venture into the realm of the gas giants, starting with Jupiter and Saturn. These celestial titans are not just planets, but miniature solar systems, boasting a multitude of moons and enticing mysteries. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is so massive that over 1,000 Earths could fit within its body. It's primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, much like the Sun. But unlike our star, Jupiter has a dense core made of rock and metal, wrapped in a thick, colorful blanket of clouds. These clouds form the famous bands and swirls we associate with Jupiter, including the iconic Great Red Spot, a storm 3 times the size of Earth that has been raging for centuries. Circling Jupiter is a throng of moons, with a current count of 79. The 4 largest, known as the Galilean moons, were discovered by Galileo Galilei in the 17th century. These moons are worlds in their own right, each with unique geology and potential for life. Next, we journey to Saturn, the second largest planet and perhaps the most recognized, thanks to its stunning ring system. These rings are made of countless particles, ranging from tiny ice crystals to massive boulders, all orbiting Saturn in a dazzling display of cosmic artistry. Saturn's composition is similar to Jupiter's, primarily hydrogen and helium. However, Saturn has a unique feature. It's the least dense planet in our solar system. In fact, it's less dense than water. If we could find a bathtub big enough, Saturn would float. Saturn also has an impressive moon count, with the most famous being Titan, larger than the planet Mercury, and the only moon in our solar system, with a substantial atmosphere and liquid on its surface. Jupiter and Saturn, the 2 largest planets, are like miniature solar systems within our own. They invite us to explore, to discover, and to marvel at the wonders of our cosmic neighborhood. Our journey concludes with the distant ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. Moving further out from the Sun, we encounter Uranus, the 7th planet in our solar system. Known as the sideways planet, Uranus presents a peculiar sight due to its unique tilt. Unlike the other planets, Uranus spins on its side, with an axial tilt of roughly 98 degrees. This odd orientation is likely the result of a colossal collision in the planet's early history. But what makes Uranus truly mesmerizing is its pale cyan color, a result of the methane in its atmosphere that absorbs red light and reflects the blue. Beneath its gaseous atmosphere, Uranus conceals an icy interior, a slushy mix of water, methane, and ammonia ices, earning it the title of an ice giant. Moving beyond Uranus, we find Neptune, the 8th and farthest known planet from the Sun in the solar system. Neptune shares the ice giant classification with Uranus, but it is far from a mirror image of its sibling. Neptune's vivid azure hue is more intense than Uranus's, a testament to the greater abundance of methane in its atmosphere. Neptune's defining feature, however, is its incredibly strong winds. Despite its great distance from the Sun, Neptune is home to the most violent weather in the solar system. Wind speeds can reach up to 1,500 miles per hour, a testament to the planet's extreme weather conditions. Despite their icy exteriors, both Uranus and Neptune hide a wealth of information about the early solar system, waiting to be unlocked by future explorations. With their peculiar characteristics, these distant ice giants provide a fascinating glimpse into the diversity of our cosmic neighborhood. They serve as a reminder that even in the cold, remote reaches of the solar system, there is much to explore and discover. Uranus and Neptune, the remote ice giants, remind us of the vastness and diversity of our solar system. We've now completed our journey through the solar system. This celestial voyage has taken us from the blistering surface of Mercury, our swift neighbor, to the ice-cold beauty of Neptune, the farthest planet from our Sun. Along the way, we've seen the diversity and uniqueness of our solar system. Venus, with its thick, toxic atmosphere, stands as a stark contrast to Earth, our blue marble teeming with life and possessing an atmosphere that sustains us. We've also discovered Mars, the captivating red planet, where the tallest volcano and the deepest, longest canyon in the solar system have carved their marks. We've marveled at the majesty of Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, and its vibrant, swirling storms. And we've been awed by the splendor of Saturn, with its iconic rings, a sight to behold. Further out, we've explored Uranus, the only planet that spins on its side, and Neptune, with its supersonic winds, the fastest in the solar system. Each planet, with its own unique characteristics, contributes to the beauty and diversity of our cosmic neighborhood. They remind us of the extraordinary complexity and vastness of the universe we inhabit. Remember, as we gaze up at the night sky, we're looking at our cosmic neighborhood, a place of endless wonder and discovery.